Hello everyone, I am Naman and I am representing Group 10, and today we will discuss about our challenge that is faced by the green harvest farms, and our challenge is like high utility consumption and how technology can solve it. So our team members are Shravan Kumar, Navjot Singh and me myself Naman Kumar, and let's dive into our project. So now let's talk about the organization overview. So Green Harvest Farm is a mid-sized organic farm business that is situated in Ontario, Canada, and they focus on the sustainable farming using greenhouse and irrigation system to grow crops. However, despite their eco-friendly approach, they face some issues. Like the major issue is high water consumption that cost them a high energy cost. As a result, our project aimed to reduce these costs while maintaining the sustainability and the productivity. Now let's talk about the operational challenges that are faced by the green harvest farms. So they are struggling with the excessive water wastage and the energy uses, leading to a high operational cost. This issue stems three key factors: that outdated irrigation system that waste more water, and having an inefficient climate control that increase the energy bills, and dependence on the conventional energy sources. So research shows that this can reduce precision irrigation can reduce the water uses by 50%, and the energy efficient greenhouse can cut costs by 20 to 30%. If I give the real world example, like in California, many farms are using a drip irrigation system that reduce the water wastage. These systems only supply water to the plant roots, not waste the water outside the plant. So that cuts the water consumption by 30 to 50%. Now let's talk about the analysis of three technology-based solution that we are providing. So first is the smart irrigation systems. So these systems are our first solution, which use the IoT-based sensor to monitor soil moisture levels in a real time. When soil dries out, this system automatically waters the crop, preventing the waste. Cloud-based monitoring allows the farmers to adjust the irrigation system remotely. So this solution reduces the water wastage by 40 to 50%, ensures the optimal crop growth. For example, in Israel, farmers use the Netafim smart irrigation system that maximize the water efficiencies. This system helps to grow crops in dry region while conserving the water. Thank you. So our second solution is automated climate control. This is like a uses AI powered sensor to adjust the temperature and humidity inside greenhouse. It ensures the optimal conditions for the crops while reducing the unnecessary energy wastage. Study shows that automated climate control systems lower the energy cost by 20%. For example, in Spain, some greenhouse use that AI-driven climatic control system that optimize the temperature and humidity. It helps to improve the yield by reducing the electricity bills. And our last solution is like AI driven energy management. So this solution system analyze the energy patterns and suggest the best efficiency methods or the improvements for the company. It can also integrate the renewable energy sources like a solar energy or the wind energy to reduce the dependence on the traditional electricity. This can cut the energy cost by up to 30% while promoting the sustainability. For example, Tesla energy management system in greenhouse help farmers to monitor and optimize their electricity use, reducing the reliance on the fossil fuels. So, as I told you, the green harvest farms are the agricultural industry. So, it is highly dependent on the natural resources such as water and energy, like electricity. So, for our project is focusing on actually to reduce the utilities and getting the maximum output from that. So, I propose you with the three different solution. In the further slides, we are going to talk about the best recommended solution for the company that will help to increase the ROI. And another thing, we are going to compare all the three solution on the basis of savings, cost, and scalability. So my friend Navjot Singh and Shravan Kumar will going to enlighten you further. Thank you.
So now I will be discussing the comparative analysis of the solution, like what kind of solution would be the better and best option for us to be used in the future. First and foremost would be the definitely smart irrigation system, like the system that use IoT sensors in order to ensure the specific amount of water which can be provided to the plants, and also it will ensure the moisture content of the soil if it is accurate for the betterment or the better growth of the plant, and will give no harm to the plants. Not only this, it will also ensure that that there is no wastage of specific water, like by doing overflowing and by excessively watering the plants. It will be helpful in a lot of ways, like definitely it will be effectively helping in reducing 40 to 50% of water consumption along with the efficient resource using. Going forward, talking about the automated climate control, AI powered sensors and other automated control system will definitely be helpful in regulating the humidity, temperature, or the ventilation inside the greenhouse. By automatically adjusting the conditions, it will create an ideal environment for the crop growth. It will be helpful in reducing the manual monitoring of the greenhouse, and also help maintaining the consistent crop controls or the yield around the year or somewhere around that. Afterward, talking about the AI driven or AI energy management, it will be also great and helpful solution for us by monitoring and examining the usage of electricity by using the AI control methods. It integrates with the smart grids and renewable energy resources to minimize the relying upon the conventional method which have been used previously or by any other greenhouses. It will lower the electricity cost by automated energy consumption, and it will integrate with the solar panels as well in order to do the long term savings as well. Based on our analysis, we are definitely recommending smart irrigation system by implementing the smart irrigation system because it do have a lot of benefits which will be helpful for our greenhouse. Like immediate impact, it will definitely reduce the wastewater for around 40 to 50% in no time, and also it is lower in the cost, like it only requires 100,000, like approximately $100,000 for like installment. Like it is more convenient, cheaper as compared to other methods. It is also scalable, like it can be you can upgrade that system after some time. If you are looking for upgradation, you don't need to reinvest a lot of the money in that. It is more easier for. And definitely talking about the sustainability, it also aligns with the water saving goals or water sustainability goals by using the actual amount of water which is required by a specific plant or the specific product whichever we are growing in that greenhouse. Here is a basic comparison of the solutions, like what kind of solution which we have already proposed in here, what would be the energy saving, what would be the cost, scalability, and return on investment timeline, like after how much time period it will start giving us returns on investment. So if you're gonna see in here, we have already specifically mentioned about the water saving comparatively to smart irrigation, climate control, and AI management. Definitely smart irrigation will be more helpful and beneficial in saving waters, even though it is not way too much energy efficient, like it's not saving a lot of energy, but as comparatively to AI energy management and climate control. But its cost, which is one of the crucial factor as well, it do not require a lot of upfront cost in order to uh, install a smart irrigation system. Talking about the scalability and return on investment, definitely it is way much higher uh, than both of other solutions. Like a return on investment for smart irrigation is just within 2 years. After 2 years, you will start earning your own money by saving uh, a lot of money on water, wasting water, and saving energy as well. As I already elaborated the IoT based smart operators, but now talking about the cloud based control systems, farmers can operate the and maintain the system by improving the efficiency as well. This technology also helps in increasing the crop yield by decreasing the labor cost as well. Lastly, it will also help our for qualifying the government incentives on the water conservation and adding the additional benefits. Here is step-by-step plan for implementing our smart irrigation system. In first month, we will be mainly focusing on our procurement and identifying the best system, ensuring the specific funding and applying for the incentives. On the month second and third, we will be mainly focusing on installing these instruments or these technological aspects into our fields, like all of the sensors and setting up the cloud monitoring and everything. Finally, in second year, we will be expanding all of these instruments throughout all multiple locations and controlling or ensuring its performances.
So let's talk about ROI, also known as return on investment. So ROI is the financial tool to evaluate the total profitability or efficiency of the investment. So by the smart irrigation system we are recommending for green harvest farm, there is where the numbers really show why this system makes sense. Firstly, the initial investment for the installation of a smart irrigation system is around 100,000. That might sound a lot and then overwhelming, but the savings add up quickly with this system. The farm can cut up its water waste by 50%, which is equivalent to the $50,000 saving every year. So this means that the system pays for itself in just 2 years, and then after that it's a pure saving after 2 years. So another huge advantage is how low maintenance this system is. Once you set up this system, it doesn't need much upkeeping, so you don't have to face unexpected or surprised cost in future. Plus the system is very flexible. If the green harvest farm want to expand in future, they can easily add up more sensor or coverage without starting from the scratch. They can input more outlet and then they can run smoothly in the case of expansion in future. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits, because we are talking about the sustainability with optimal profitability, right? So by using the water more efficiently, the farm isn't just saving money, it's also meeting the sustainability goal and staying ahead of the regulation. So it's basically a pure win-win, good for the business and then for the planet. So basically, to wrap up, our team strongly believes that the smart irrigation system is the best solution for green harvest farm. It tackles the biggest operational challenges like high utility cost and heads on with a proven water saving and a fast playback period for the long-term benefit. So this isn't just about cutting cost today. It's about setting up the farm for a more efficient, sustainable future returns. The technology is crucial, and then the ROI is clear, and the impact goes beyond just finances. By adopting this solution, green harvest farm can reduce the water uh, waste, which is improve productivity, and then it stay competitive in the organic farming industry. Thank you so much for listening, and we are excited to see how this project help green harvest farm to grow smarter. Thank you.
So these are our references. So thank you to being with us.